Wow, this is really very beautiful. Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Kia Cerato GT line. This car looks super cool, drives super good, and comes with a few very nice goodies. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty, guys. This car looks spectacular. It comes also with an aftermarket bonnet that is fiber. You can see the vents over here. The artwork is absolutely beautiful. This is a sticker, but it's printed, and it really takes precision to install this kind of sticker job. Very beautiful. Now have a look at the side profile. The color changes from turquoise or Tiffany blue, I'm not sure exactly what's it called, to full black. Very cool gradient, absolutely love this. Also comes with a nice set of sport trims and aftermarket big brake kit. Also under the bonnet we have a strut bar, and this car comes with BCBR coilovers as well. Okay, Kia Cerato got a lot. This is a GT line spec. The highest spec of Kia Cerato comes with sunroof and a few more features later I'll show you. Also look at this very stylish spoiler. I like it a lot. Alright. Behind, very spacious for your rear passenger. Leather in excellent condition. Rear passenger aircon and blacked out roof liner, very nice. This reminds me of premium Continental cars. Also, we have scuff plates with GT branding as well. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Okay, have a look at these sport seats with the GT line branding and white color here, stitching as well. They're very comfy and very sporty. This thing is really super cool. This is forged carbon with a red color, flat bottom steering wheel, aftermarket, very nice. This Alcantara, very nice to hold. Comes with carbon fiber pedal shifters as well. Really beautiful steering wheel. Also comes a matching forged carbon gear knob. This car also comes with ambient light. Over here we have your infotainment. Of course, it comes with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a very clear reverse camera. Let's close this. Got sunroof also, already told you. Driver's seat is fully electric, also even comes with memory settings. Very nice. And another very cool thing is these seats are ventilated. This car is really high spec, guys. Okay, this is more cooler than your expensive Continental cars, alright? Obviously, keyless entry and keyless start for this car. Overall, the features is really nice and a lot. Alright guys, this car is nice, it drives well, and wow, the aircon blowing onto my back now, really super shock. On COE, we still got 3 years and 6 months left, plenty of time for you to enjoy. You want to know more details? You all know what to do. Call me, and more give you a good deal.